Here are some tips that can help bartenders increase their sales, tips, and efficiency. This is the 2-bottle, 2-drink pour. The objective is to pour 2 drinks at once. The goal is to pour those 2 drinks in the same amount of time it takes to pour 1 drink. Here's how it looks. Here's how it works. You hold 1 bottle between the middle and pointer finger. Make sure you can control it. The other bottle with the thumb. Let them cross a little bit for more control and also the right angle. Place the gun in the other hand, whichever hand that is, and just make sure you angle the bottles, at least the pour spouts, into the drinks. Okay? So, angle and pour. It's just that simple. Here's some quick ways to upsell. Upselling is when you pour a more expensive version of the drink, or you ask them if they want a double or something. I know some great upsellers here in San Diego. Tracy English, I've learned a couple of these from her, from Stingery, and Lori Moore from the Hard Rock. 1, just show the bottle. It's very simple. So if someone asks for a vodka tonic, just show them the bottle for the upsell. Usually, especially when it's really busy and loud, they'll just say yes. So, someone asks for a vodka tonic, all you have to do is grab and say. They usually say yes and just pour it. Very simple, very quick. Number 2, rattle off options. If someone asks for a vodka tonic, just rattle off Effin, Grey Goose, Stoli, Kettle One. They'll usually choose 1. So, you've quickly just made more money for yourself and the company. Another way to upsell is to make your house the mid-range. Say Absolute. So, if someone asks for a vodka club soda, you just pour them Absolute and show them the bottle quickly. They usually just say yes or don't even think about it, especially if there's not much of a difference between the price, but still, your sales increase all throughout the night. Another way to upsell is to ask, what kind of vodka do you want? Usually people do know their types of vodka, so they usually say Grey Goose, Effin, whatever. But if they have no idea, brand new to the bar, or just don't know vodkas that well, start off rattling off. So you want Effin, Grey Goose, they'll usually pick 1. That's a great way also. Another upsell is just saying whatever you want to sell them. It's really simple. They say a vodka tonic, you say Effin. They will usually say yes. Here's some tips you can use, and I use it a lot, so you won't ever mix up a customer's money or credit cards. Basically, it's the hand system. So, from the left to the right, between the thumb and the pointer finger, is the person to the furthest left. Okay? And it moves on down to the right. It's very simple. So you go to take the customer's order on the left, you tell them how much it is, they give you their money. On down the line, they give you a credit card, put it here, money, money, all the way down the line. So you also have it in order when you get to the computer. So when you turn around to the computer, you just type it in and you place the change right there in between your fingers. Right there in between your fingers, the receipt for the credit card, down the line. So when you turn back around, there are your customers. To the left, here's your change, here's your change, here's your change, and here's your change. You never mix them up, and it's much faster. It'll save you a lot of time and make you a lot more money. Time is definitely money in the bar. There are many ways to open bottles of beer. One of the fastest ways is just to grab 2 beers and pop it up with your wrist, just like that. To control the tops, you can just pop it open and hold the top in your hand and throw it away. You can also pop it and follow it around and catch it, just like that. If you have multiple beers to open all the way down the line, and you don't want to just pop and open them, place them down on the bar top, all your beers, so you don't really have to think about it. Place your finger, your pointer finger, in the middle of them, hold them down, and just pop them down the line as you hold them. So, pop, 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 and you go all the way down the line. You open all your beers, and they're done. Now, if you're going from point A to point B and you need to open bottles on the way, here's a quick way to do it. You can open from 5 to 7 bottles. Just about anybody can do it. And here's how you can. You can put 2 in this hand, 4 in your chest, or 3, depending on your hands, and 1 extra one between your fingers. And just open them down the line. It's just that simple. Never forget a drink. When it's really busy, it's extremely high volume, and you're trying to take as many orders as possible, here's a couple of tips on how to remember those drinks. This is a culmination between a lot of great systems. One, Melissa Graves' system, where she places her glasses down each time she gets an order so she can remember it. Sushi from Lotus Sound in Hawaii, he has a gap system where he gaps and separates his drinks in certain places. And Yami has a glass system where she definitely has an area for each drink on the mat. So, for instance, if you have 3 vodka club sodas, so you place your 3 vodka club sodas here, this is your vodka area. It's kind of around the same area as the vodka. 2 vodka tonics, same area as well. If you have a vodka cranberry, separated as also. So you know this is kind of where these vodkas are. So you basically have already remembered these drinks. So you place your tall pints here and say you have a Long Island, Long Beach, and Adios. So you basically also is something called a splash system, which is what I use a lot, which is you splash what you're going to need for the Long Island in here, so you can remember that. Splash, since you're using both hands anyway, for the Long Beach, and also for the Adios. Splash what you need for the Adios. So now all you need is the rest of the liquors and the juice for these. And for these also, if you get a very convoluted order list, you can also just say, oh, Jack's Captains and Jack and Coke Captain 7, something like that. So you separate them where your Jack and Captains are. And so you say, oh, it's going to be a Captain 7 around here, Jack and Coke around here. And you have them. So you have all your drinks laid out. These shot glasses are here as well, close to your Jaeger, or at least lined up with it, and lined up with whatever else your Tuaca or whatever else you have as well, Patron, however. So you know you got 3 Jaegers here, and you've got 2 Patrons or 2 Tuacas here as well. So this whole thing right here, you can just walk up to and know exactly what the drinks are. It's just that simple. So use your memory system. It'll save you and make you a lot more money. If you have any questions, please email us at info@quickstrain.com.